fishing on the Mississippi.
That's pretty much.
Our Missouri River. Putting out our first pole thing.
Foot long.
We're dropping in the second pole. Those people hung their pole when the river was like all the way up there. That's strange, but that's also cool. Put all the stuff in, now we're tubing. Well, we just got done tubing. We didn't catch nothing. We got a couple bites, but tomorrow, shut up.
So cool.
Tomorrow we'll go check the poles and stuff. So let's skip to tomorrow. Okay, it's morning time. It's like 7 o'clock, so let's go check our lines. Here we are checking the first line of a whole bunch of Asian carp jumping up from the water. First one is nothing, but we.
Stomped on the first 5.
Huh?
Stomped on the first 5.
Yep, but now we have like 28 more hooks.
To go.
Here we go, pull number 2 and 3. Second one is a dud, but is the third one? Third one's a dud too. Here we're coming on the fourth line. Let's see if this one's a dud. Well, the fourth one's a dud, but we have like 23 more hooks to check. Number 6. We got it.
Dip net. Dip.
Look at the size.
Oh, that catfish.
Big old blue.
Here he is, 20 pounds.
At least 30 maybe.
Catfish.
We also got another one, but it's an 8-pounder compared to a 20-pounder. Look at that 20-pounder, 8-pounder. Hey, that baby is 27 pounds.
20.
Number 7, is it a dud? The number 7 is a dud, but we still have a 27-pounder and 8-pounder in there. Number 8, 9, I don't know. I'm not keeping track. Count no more. Is it a dud, though? Or will we catch another big one? Number 8 or 9 is a dud, but we got snagged. Number 9. Number 9 is a dud. Number 10 and 11. Number 10 is a dud.
Whoa.
Number 11 a dud. Number 11 is a dud, but we still have 3 more to check. 12, 13, 14. Is number 14 a dud? Number 14 is a dud, but we still have 13. Wait, is that 13? Yeah, 13 and 12. 13 is a dud, but we still have 12. Is 12 a dud? Yes, it is. But we still have a 27-pounder and about a 10-pounder. Time to weigh them and fillet them.
Okay.
We've already weighed that one. But this one. That's a 5-pounder compared to the 27-pounder. Time to fillet these. We measured it, and this one's 31 pounds. Dude! This is my foot compared to this 31-pounder, and this is a 5-pounder and a 31-pounder.